Ka All Jaintia Master Roll Workers and Labour Union AJMRW and LU kalapan sangi ano ya kejinga ki hadin kejinga kendu ya menteri rangba kejela konrad ki sangma ubala pentikna ya ka kenhuan baka sorkar kan penbe renti bat pentikna ba baro kitnat sorkar ken pentri kam ya ka hukum ban penbe thma ya ka variable dearness allowance VDA arsin hakashisnem Habakren Shakilat Pathai Kubor hadin gajingalang haka khandai trik yayong o advisor ka union uba Kroel Pariat Ulaong ka jinga kendu ya UCM kalalong kababiang bah ula pentikna yangi ba unsa penbej renti ya baru kitanat hapo ka sorkar Meghalaya ban bud ya kijing betha jong ka sorkar ula kubur ba kaladon gajing bambiang bat jing duna hakarukom trekam hendrai menta unsa pentikna baki kli jong baru kitanat kian bud bej renti ya ka wei pakawei ka jing betha balapan mi nakaliang ka union kala beteng ya ka jing dawa ban pentrekam ya ka jing penbej thma ya ka VDA kabalong kat kum ka minimum wages act kabadei ban penkela arsin ha ka shisnem kata ha ka shitarik yayong bat shitarik risau menteri rangba ula pentikna ba onsa penmi ya ka hukum ban penbej thma ya ka VDA ha kini ki khindiat sengi ki banwan uba kro ulaong menteri rangba ula menjuru ban kmi bnya halor kamat kabayade bat kerta syong than nakakam kabade kamat kabapenmi ka jingbam syai bat jingklumar jimut ula betha yaki officer bakin buddin ya kani kamat jingdawa ban onsa penlong ya ka jingalang ha ka bakut jong uni ubnaya yong ka union kala aipor ya ka sorkar haduk ka bakut jong uyayong bahkan pentrikam ya kani ka hukum batlada kani kam urlong kin penlong da ka jingyaki ka bahe habaro ke district headquarter ka jela Meghalaya ngin ya apshua ya ka jing pentrekam ya kani ka hukum hapo jong uni ubnaya yong lada menteri rangba pentrekam ya ka ngin penlong da ka jingyaki ka bahe maham uba kro parian
Today meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister is very constructive. After almost more than 4 months, we are keep on waiting. So finally today we are meeting with him. So the meeting is very cordial and constructive. And which concern is very from his side when we brief him regarding the notification or the issue from time to time from the personnel department, the finance and the labor department, where the head of department of various departments not comply. So we come to the conclusion today that he will streamline all the department in the government Meghalaya so that they will comply with the order. Because for the last few years back, he admitted that there's a lapse. Communication gap is there, but now he is going to make it streamline it where the head of department should comply each and every order of notification. And one of that is the regarding the VDA. VDA is the government of Meghalaya or the government of India as per the Minimum Wages Act. Yet all these mandate that twice a year, that 1st April and 1st October, the VDA, their wages should be revised. But when come from Meghalaya, today like it's the first time they delayed for the month of April. So from the Chief Minister, he said in this video, a few days from now, he going to issue the order to revise the VDA. So regarding the retirement age, it's very conflict with the and confused with regarding the head department. Because in 2009, you informed him that governor already approved that the master workers in Meghalaya should retire not more than 65 years. But when come for the retirement here, the concerned department, they make the master to retire on the age of 58, where there is no order at all. So when for this, he from the Chief Minister in charge of personnel, he said going to examine that, and within few days from now, he will convene a meeting, and he had already entrusted on his officers to follow up with this demand, and we're going to hold a meeting maybe by the end of this April. So the whole issue today is we are supposed to have a sit-in protest here in Motran, but due to the invitation of Chief Minister, we temporarily suspend the agitation. And we are going to wait for implementation of this order within this month of April. So if Chief Minister will not give a concrete implementation within this April, we from the union we're going to make a massive agitation all the district headquarters of Meghalaya. so that we are ready for that. So for today, agitation we are temporarily suspend.